Welcome to the video YouTube. So we have a brand new tool released by Helium 10 to supercharge your product research. This has been released in the last 7 days and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use it and find an awesome product to sell on Amazon FBA. Enjoy the video. Welcome to the video YouTube. Now, as promised, this is a brand new tool released from Helium 10, which is just going to speed up your product research drastically. I was told earlier this week by my contact in Helium 10 that this has just been released and to put a video out on it. I know it's going to be really useful for people who are doing their product research at this stage. When you are conducting product research, one of the things that is extremely important that you do is do some background work into the search terms that are associated with that particular product. Now, the reason this is important is that you're able to assess viability better by looking at what the search volume is, how many people are searching for that item on a monthly basis, and you're able to look at the competitiveness of a niche through looking at particular search terms. You're also in a position with Magnet on Helium 10 to actually be able to get new ideas literally from typing in a particular search term. They'll populate other search terms, longer tail search terms, for example, to give you further ideas for products. Now, the problem with this is that it takes quite a bit of time. You've got to log into Helium 10, open Magnet, type in the search term, select the marketplace. It takes too long to do, especially if you're doing hours and hours of research looking at hundreds of products. It takes too long. Now, this brand new tool avoids all of those things and immediately speeds this up for you all. Now, let me give you an example. If we type in here, dog toys, immediately this new tool with Helium 10 has populated for you the highest search for keywords on Amazon and that are picked up from Helium 10 themselves. So the highest search volumes associated with this keyword and longer tail search terms are immediately in front of you like that. So if we look at an example here, we firstly have this column that shows Amazon's suggestions for this keyword. So what would drop down, for example, if you were to type this in the search bar, but also Helium 10 will tell you what they suggest. So we can see number 2, keywords after, we can see that are following dog toys. Here we have keywords before the word dog toys with the highest volume. So immediately you can tell dog toys indestructible has got 10,000 searches a month. Now, you may, from this, decide to do some more investigation into that particular type of dog toy and find that it's less competitive than the generic dog toy broad term, and different products applied that potentially have lower reviews and are easier to penetrate into the market. And again, this is suggestions from Helium 10 for the highest search volumes associated with the keywords. So literally, guys, it's that simple, right? If you have a diamond plan with Helium 10, you're able to access this feature. So everything that you type in, you can find this information for. So let's search for something else. Let's search for pillowcase. Immediately, we have here ideas and the search terms that are associated with that with the highest volume first. Now, it also shows you if they're trending. So over a period, a month, a year, has this search term been trending upwards or downwards or a mixture of both? And you can actually expand that and have a look. For example, over 90 days, you can see it's been sort of up and down, but over 30, it's been going down. Hence why you see this red arrow pointing downwards. So yeah, super quick video for you guys. I would say that if you were doing product research yourself, this is going to save you hours and hours every week, opposed to manually doing this. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful, and make sure you comment. Let me know what you think below about this tool. Is it good? Is it bad? And I'll see you guys in the next one.